Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make easy dal curry. It's a yummy recipe. It gives perfect taste when served along with roti, chapati or rice. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 cup of toor dal, add 1 sliced onion, 1 chopped tomato, 3 green chilli slits, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 3 cups of water. Close the lid and cook for 1 whistle on high flame, then 2 whistles on low flame. Cooking time will be different for each cooker. After 3 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for
If you
30
have not
minutes.
subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Dal has cooked well. In a pan, take 3 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it's splutter. Then keep it low flame and add 8 chopped garlics, 2 red chilies cut into halves. Saute it for 10 seconds on low flame. Then add 6 to 7 sliced shallots, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes until it turns to light golden brown color. Now add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now. Close the lid and wait at least 10 minutes before stirring. After 10 minutes, we can stir it well. Easy dal curry recipe is ready. If you are making in this quantity, you can serve it for 6 portions. You can serve it along with chapati, rice or roti.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.